Okay, welcome to number 12 on the spring 2010 final exam. On a particular day, the probability of rain is 0.35, the probability of damaging winds is 0.4, and the probability of both occurring is 0.2. What is the probability of rain or the damaging winds? Now, we talked about a formula in class, which is that the probability of, let's say, rain, because that's what we're asking, rain or we'll say winds, damaging winds, that's going to be the probability of rain plus the probability of winds, the damaging winds, minus the probability of rain and winds, because we had this overlap. Okay, the overlap is when they both occur. So we do know some of this stuff. We know that the probability of rain is 0.35. The probability of winds, damaging winds, is 0.4, and minus the probability of rain and winds, which is 0.2. So when you clean this up, we get 0.55. So then the probability of the rain or damaging winds would be 0.55. Now, if you don't want to do it this way, we do have another way of doing it, which is to think about it in terms of a Venn diagram, where we have our two events. We have the rain, and then we have damaging winds. So let me call this rain and damaging winds. Now we know some of the numbers. For example, the probability of both happening would be in the overlap, so that would be 0.2. Now rain probability is 0.35, so that means these two regions here, the whole rain circle, must add up to 0.35. So if that's 0.2, this must be 0.15. And if winds has to add up to 0.4, and this is already 0.2, then that makes this 0.2. So now the probability of rain or damaging winds means it could be in any one of these regions, okay? Because damaging winds or rain, one of the three regions. So if you add up these three numbers here, you're going to get 0.15 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, which is 0.55. And so there's another way of getting your answer.